Hi viewers, and welcome to another episode of On the Farm, where we are vocal about everything local. I am Shaquimha Hanley. Surrounded by propagated plants, captivated by the fresh smell of rosemary, on this episode of On the Farm, we'll be highlighting the propagation unit here at Prospect. But before we get into the meat of the matter, we take a short break and be right back after this.
Fresh local fruit and vegetables produced for our nourishment. Buy local, eat local.
Welcome back. Joining me, I have Rhonda Vifus, the field technician at the Propagation Unit. Rhonda, welcome to On the Farm.
Thank you for having me.
Rhonda, tell us a little bit of what is the purpose of the Propagation Unit here.
Well, the purpose of the propagation unit is to provide a service to our customer, general public as well. We provide vegetable seedlings and fruit trees, so that is the purpose of our unit.
And some of the services besides the vegetable seedlings that you guys offer here are what?
Budding, grafting, air layering, plant cuttings, among others.
Okay, for persons who are not familiar with the term grafting and air layering, briefly explain what are these?
Okay, so those are propagation method where you take what is called a scion from a mature plant, a plant that would have fruited, and you also take you also have your rootstock, so that's the grafting. So you have your rootstock and you have your scion, and you combine the two of them together by making an incision on one and the other, and you fit them in and you wrap them with a tape. So that is the grafting process.
Okay.
For air layering, that is where you remove the bark of the plant, at least 2 to 2.5 inches of bark from the plant, and you put some medium, which is the pro-mix medium, and within a month to 6 weeks they start to push root, and you cut that away from the plant. So most time when you're doing these techniques, you normally have to ensure that the tree had fruited before.
Okay.
So you cannot do it unless the trees had fruited.
Okay. In terms of crops that you would have propagated, give the viewers an idea of some of the crops that they can get from here that you guys propagate.
Okay, so the service that we provide to the general public, the type of vegetable seedlings that we grow are sweet peppers, seasoned peppers, tomatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, cucumbers, watermelon, eggplant, pak choy, thyme, celery, and bunching onion for now.
Okay. And in terms of fruit trees?
Well, we have a wide range of fruit trees.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you're able to remember all of them right now, but we do have a wide range. We provide different varieties of mangoes, such as Amrapali, Julie mango, also known as the grafted mango, long mango, Bolton, Graham, and ice cream. I think people are getting to know the ice cream mango. It's a very nice, a very smooth mango. So those are some of the mangoes that we do. For instance, if a customer comes in and they want a different type of mango, we can do that for them as well.
So if you bring your own seed, then you can propagate it and they come back and get their seedlings. That's what you're saying as well?
Vegetable seeds?
Vegetable and fruit trees.
Well, for the fruit trees, yes. If it's a mango that they want graft and they brought the seeds to us, then no, that is not going to work. Or because that seed would have to be the rootstock.
Okay.
So if they need that particular variety of mango, then we actually need to go on their tree, collect the scion from their tree, and then put it onto our rootstock. Or if they have a plant that's already in the ground, then we work from that.
Okay. So you made mention of fruit trees. Do you guys propagate ornamentals or any sort of other plants?
No, we do not propagate any ornamental plants.
Okay.
That is left to other propagators. We just focus on fruit trees and vegetable seedlings.
Okay, fair enough. What is the procedure one would have to take in the event that they want to get, let's say, a tray of tomatoes, a tray of cucumbers, or as you say, a fruit tree that would be grafted here?
Okay, when it comes to fruit trees, as long as it's available, a customer can come in and purchase it.
Okay.
They do not need to place an order, they just come in, whatever is available, they can come in and purchase. But when it comes to vegetable seedlings, you must place an order.
Okay.
The order, it depends on what you order. Like for instance, a tray of tomato that takes 4 weeks to get ready.
Okay.
So a customer come in, place the order with us, a tray as in 73 seedlings, and it takes 4 weeks for that tray to be ready for that customer to plant. So the customer comes into us, let us know what they want, whether they want it mixed, they want a full tray, we do all of that.
Okay.
So they just come and place the order and we get it prepared specially for them.
And do they have to do a deposit prior to, or when they come back for their seedlings, they can just pay for it one time?
When they come to pick up their seedlings, they pay.
Okay. Roughly give us an idea of what the prices are like for seedlings, a tray of seedling, and also for the fruit trees that you guys offer here.
Okay, well, we have two prices for the seedlings actually.
Okay.
$30 for a full tray of seedlings and $20 for a full tray of seedlings.
Okay.
But the difference between those are we have customers that, or we have recurring customers. They would have purchased their tray for $30. So what we advise them to do, keep your tray nice and clean and then come back with it when you come to place your second order.
Nice.
Yes, yes. So when they come back with a tray, then we charge them $20 instead of $30.
Okay.
So for new customers, $30. But the customers that keep recurring and keep bringing back their trays, we charge them $20 for a tray of seedling. Doesn't matter what's in the tray, it's $20.
Okay, nice. And you were saying fruit trees, the price range for fruit trees?
Price range for fruit trees range between culinary herbs. They go for $10. Anything, whether it be celery, rosemary, thyme, lemongrass, basil, they go for $10 a pot. Like we already listed the vegetable seedlings prices. Fruit trees or for ungrafted trees are $15.
Okay.
And grafted and air-layered and budded trees are $30 to $40.
Okay. In terms of the seedlings, how many cells is usually inside of a tray? I know there are like two different sizes. What sizes do we have here?
Well, we actually have 3 different sizes.
Forgive me.
That's all right. That's all right. But what we're using now is a 72 cell, but before we were using 73 cells. So they still have 73 cells circulating.
Okay.
So you have the 72, 73, and 200 cells.
And the price is the same?
Well, for the 72 and 73, yes, we do not sell in 200 cells.
Okay. So for someone who, so therefore that person would probably have to, how would you get access to 200 cells then if you guys don't sell here?
Well, I guess they would have to order that tray.
Okay.
They will need to order that tray. But
Okay.
we do not sell in them. We normally propagate for the estates, but we don't sell seedlings in the 200 cell trays.
Okay. You made mention of providing grafting, budding, and ear layering service here on the ground. Do you guys also offer these services outside of the grounds? And if so, tell the viewers how can they get, how can they partake in this service? And if there's a price attached, roughly explain or state how much it is.
Okay, yes. Other than providing a service on the estate, we do provide service outside to backyard farmers, large-scale farmers, or even household. We do provide a service for them. And first, what we need to know is what the type of graft the person would like, or what variety of mango would the person like, or citrus would they like on their plant. We make sure we go and check the plant, ensure that it's pencil size thickness at least.
Okay.
And then we let them know there's a fee attached to it, which is $10 for every graft that we put on the plant. So first they have to contact us. We have to go and see what the plant looks like.
Okay.
And then we could proceed towards grafting or even air layering.
Okay. Well, Rhonda, just to wrap up, tell the viewers where can they find the propagation unit and how can they get in contact with you for partaking in the services that you guys offer here.
Okay, so we are located in Prospect. I think they call it Prospect Industrial Site, just past the power plant.
Okay.
You will see the 2-story yellow building on your right hand side. Now the opposite side is the Prospect Experimental Station. You can just come on in, they're welcome. We open from 8 to 4, Monday to Friday. So they can just come in, place their order, or see whatever availability of plants we have.
Okay. And if you don't want to just stop by, you can always call the Department of Agriculture or the NIA number and let them transfer it to the Department of Agriculture, and hopefully you'll be able to speak to Rhonda from there. Rhonda, thank you for being on the farm with us. And I must say it was very informative. Even me learn a lot for the time that I'm here speaking to you. And we do wish the Propagation Unit and your team going forward much success. And one of the things that we are pushing for sure is food security. So we are hoping that we get a lot of these trees that are propagated here in the homes of our people viewing and around the island. Thank you again for being here.
Thank you for having me.
No problem.
When I was a young girl, my dream was to be a teacher. Then came later, I decided to join the hospitality industry. After doing my diploma, I decided to look for greener pastures. I got an invitation from a friend who is in US. I went to the embassy twice and I was denied visa. Then I was heartbroken and I was like, what else from here? I'm young and I was expecting a lot. Then I had to make up my mind to rise up and walk and join my mama. She was doing dairy farming, she was doing poultry, and she was doing when her income was okay. My friends were telling me, oh, you are doing this job of poultry farming. It's dirty, you know, youth. You don't like those dirty jobs. But now we have come to realize after joining FAO and showing us the right thing and the right path, we have come to realize it's business. It's a source of income. It's a source of employment. You can get value addition. Yeah. There's no need of going to other countries. We have seen some youth going to even to Dubai, Qatar to look for jobs. Then they come back frustrated. At the end, they're like, oh, I wish I stayed in my country. This is our home. God loves Kenya. We can do it. The market is with us. Wake up and go for it. Whatever is in your mind, you perceive it. And later on, you receive it. My mom used to tell me, do this, do this. Now I'm here. I'm the one who is doing it. She's no longer doing it now in poultry farming. She's doing dairy farming. Now my work is here. This is my office. I don't call it my poultry house. This is my office. Yeah.
And there you have it, viewers. Another episode of On the Farm, where we are vocal about everything local. And just to recap this episode, we highlighted what the services that the Propagation Unit offer and some of the trees that are available for you to come by and purchase. Until next time, I am Shaquimha Hanley.